Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Augusta, and if this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button down below and join this amazing YouTube family. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn your old wigs, or how to wear your old wigs, okay, like an headband wig. Okay, this is going to be a short video. It's like a quick fix, okay, like a quick way to just wear your wigs, like your frontal wigs or your closure wigs, like an headband wig. Okay, I know that some of these companies out there be making this headband wigs so expensive. Like, these wigs don't have closures, they don't have frontals, so why are they selling them for $300, $250, $350? Like, that's too expensive for a wig that doesn't have closure or frontals. Okay, so this is going to be like a quick fix, like a quick way to turn those your frontal wigs into a headband wigs. Also, we are not going to be doing any damage to the wig. Okay, we are not going to be cutting the wig, we are not going to be sewing any headband to the wig. Okay, so whenever you take off this wig, you are still going to have your closure or frontal wig. It depends on the kind of wig you use. So for this video, we're going to be using this wig. This is a 5x5 closure wig that I got from AliPearl or AliExpress. Okay, so this is the wig we are going to be using today. It's a 26-inch wig, and I'm going to leave a link to this wig in the description box. Okay, the first thing you're going to do before you start wearing your wig is to make sure that your hair is very flat, like it's laid flat. Okay, you can actually maybe put it in a bun, you can unroll it, you can twist it like I did, and just pack it, you know, together at the back. Just do anything you can to make sure that your hair is laying very flat, okay, so that your wig is going to look very flat when you wear it. And after that, you're going to go ahead and lay your edges. I already did that, guys, because I did a previous video before this, so I already laid my edges, but I'm going to be adding more gel because some hair are already flying out. So you want to lay your edges, okay. And after that, you're going to go ahead and wear your cap. Okay, this is going to help hold your hair together, and also it's going to help it lay flat. And guys, because this is a headband wig, okay, we are not going to be wearing the cap at the front. Okay, we are like at the front of the hair here. No, we are going to pull it back a little bit. Okay, so this is what it should look like. After that, we're going to go ahead and wear the wig, but I want to show you guys this wig have two combs by the side and one comb at the back. So I'm going to be using the combs, okay, to secure the wig very well on my hair. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and wear the wig. So I'm going to go ahead and take the comb, as you guys can see here, and attach it into my hair. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing here. And I'm also going to do the same thing with the one at the back. So now I'm going to try and cover up this pattern here. This is a center pattern wig, but I don't want this pattern to show, okay, when I'm wearing this wig. So I'm just going to take out my comb and try to cover up this pattern. Take some hair here and take some hair here. So I'm going to add some of this fitting foam, okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this black hairband. This is what it looks like, and I'm going to wear it. So guys, I'm going to try and just take the hair to the back this way. Okay, now the headband, okay, we're going to take it up, and I'm going to place it like this. And I'm going to fold it into two this way. Just take the frontal part and fold it into two. And now guys, you can go ahead and take the headband you want to use and, you know, style your hair, okay, and you can wear it. And this is it, guys. You have your headband wig. Okay, this is very easy, like very easy. And as soon as you're back from wherever you went to, you just take off your wig, take off the headbands, take off your wig, and you have your frontal or closure wig back. Okay, so yeah, this is how you can wear your old wigs, or even if it's a new wig, but like how you can wear your wigs, okay, like an headband wig without you know, buying a new wig, or without cutting the wig or sewing the headband on the wig. And I actually have a video on how to do that, like how to turn your old wigs into an headband wig. Okay, I'm going to link the video somewhere up here. With that method, you have to tamper with the wig. Okay, you have to do some cutting, some sewing. Okay, so if you want to see that method, please check out the description box. I'm going to leave a link of the video in the description box, and I'm also going to link it somewhere up here. Okay, so guys, please check that video out. Okay, but with this method, you don't have to tamper with the wig at all. You still have your wig. As soon as you take this off, you're going to have your wig back the way it was before. Okay, so this is so easy, like so easy to wear. Like it's something you can do when you are in a hurry, you don't have time to lay your wigs down, you don't want to start using glue, you know, to lay your wigs down, or you just don't want to use glue that day, you're not in the mood to use glue that day to glue your wigs down. Okay, so this is a very quick way to just wear your wig and make it look like an headband wig. Okay, you can also use this kind of headband to wear it. Okay, I already took off this one, so you can just go ahead, and if you have this type, okay, I got this in, I think, a beauty supply store near my house. Okay, you can just place it on top of the black headband. I still have the black one here. Okay, another thing you can also do is to use a pin to hold the band and the wig together, you know, hold it together just to secure the wig more. Okay, you can use a pin to hold them together, like a bobby pin, and then you can go ahead and just place this one on top of this. And this is another reason why I folded the black band inside. Okay, I want it to be small so that any kind of band I'm using on top is going to be able to cover it very well, and you won't be seeing the black hairband inside. Okay, so you can just place this and go ahead and just so this is it, guys. Like this is so easy to do, so fast. Like this is just a quick fix, okay, to have a new look, give your face a new look, give your wig a new look. Okay, like you don't have to wear your wig same way every time, you don't have to wear it as a center parting or as a side parting every time, you don't have to glue it down every single time. Okay, so if you're tired of gluing your wig every time, or you don't have the time, you're in a hurry, you just don't want to have that same look that day, or you don't want to glue your wig down that day, this is just a quick fix. Okay, this is something you can quickly do, turn your wig into an headband wig like this and wear it out, and it's going to look very cute. Okay, you guys can see it already on me, it's looking so cute on me. Okay, so yeah, this is the end of the video, guys, and don't forget to check the other video I talked about, okay, where I actually turned my old wig into an headband wig. Okay, I actually had to cut the wig, like I tampered with the wig. Okay, so so if you have an old wig that you don't wear anymore, okay, you don't mind tampering with it, you don't mind cutting it, you don't mind changing it, like permanently changing it into an headband wig, then you want to check out that video. Okay, that video is for you. I'm going to leave it in the description box, and I'm also going to link it somewhere up here. Okay, so yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're still here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and join this amazing YouTube family. Don't forget to like this video, leave your comments in the comment section, guys, and yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye.